How to fix Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager on Windows. So if you want to fix Bluetooth not showing in your Device Manager on your Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Device Manager. After opening your Device Manager, now if you're not being able to find the Bluetooth option, then sometimes it may be hidden by default. So you just need to simply go with the View section and then go with Show Hidden Devices, and here you will have all of your hidden devices and you might find your Bluetooth. Or you can go with Action and you can go with Scan for hardware changes and you might find the option. But if that option is not available, then you can open up your settings. Under settings, you can go with the left side and here you can search for troubleshoot and go with troubleshoot settings. And here you need to go with other troubleshooters. And here if you have Bluetooth, then run the troubleshooter for Bluetooth. And after running, it might take a few minutes, like 4 to 5 minutes, and you need to apply the fix and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your browser. On your browser, you need to search for Intel Bluetooth driver for your Windows 10 or 11. So in my case, it's 11. I'll just simply go with it. And you need to go with www.intel.com. And here on the bottom, you will have the download option. You can just simply go with the download and you'll be able to download the driver. After downloading the file, you can go with the downloads, which will be on the top right, and you'll be able to install the driver. But even after downloading, if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing is make sure that your Bluetooth service is running. So go with your control center and then make sure that your Bluetooth option is turned on, or you can just simply right click, go with the task manager, and here you need to go with services. And under services, you need to go with open services, which is on the top right. And here you need to search for Bluetooth service, which is right here. These three services, which are the Bluetooth services. So you need to go with the first one, right click on it, go with properties and make sure that it is automatic and make sure that the service is running. Go with start and then go with apply and OK. Go with the second one, right click on it, go with properties again and make sure that it is automatic and running. Go with apply and OK. Go with the third one and do the same thing. Make sure that it is automatic and then go with start and apply and OK. And after that, you can restart your device and after that, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.